Parking, easily preventable accidents. All of these things have one thing in common: idiots. Ironically, this guy is carrying a sign asking drivers to keep a 1.5 meter distance, and that bus driver kind of proves his point. Here's a variety of drivers who think nothing of blocking oncoming traffic to make their own lives easier. Oh, and blocking emergency vehicles is no big deal either.
There's a fire truck!
Trying to find a reason not to fire this driver would be like finding a needle in a haystack. This driver took one for the team by destroying his own clutch rather than rolling back into the car behind him.
Okay.
When you realize you've done so badly on your driving test that you have no other option but to laugh.
Sorry, you shouldn't be laughing at that. Right, whenever you're ready.
That's so bad. That's so bad. What are we doing?
Have I got side mirrors? Yeah. Am I gonna use them? No. Backing into this car at full speed wasn't enough for this driver. He decided to drive straight into someone's apartment. Here's someone who's gonna have a really bad night's sleep. When the arrogance of a Bugatti driver meets the arrogance of a BMW driver, nobody's gonna back down. Can you pull over a sheriff for dangerous driving? Probably not, but it's a nice thought. We all want someone to be close to, but this guy took it a step too far.
No, I can't get out. He can't get out. He told me, please don't try to pull your car out. I told him, I'm gonna pull my car out and you paying for all the damages, because why would you park this close?
2 days after passing their test, this driver encountered their first off-road driving challenge. And now, the most illogical way to reverse ever caught on film. This crossing guard is there to ensure children's safety. The problem is that some adults are idiots. This guy's drive home is about as safe as an atomic bomb. Even if that scooter wasn't there, this is still some seriously bad driving. With all the weird MMA and boxing mashups going on right now, it was only a matter of time until this one, Jeep versus Volkswagen. Yeah, I'll just load my truck like this. I'm sure there won't be any other traffic on the road. The traffic was so bad that the guy in the back SUV just got out and walked. Cyclists often take their lives into their own hands on the road with idiots in cars, but this cyclist used his hands to save a few drivers' lives. Let's just hope that the things these guys design and build are the same things they've just destroyed with their van. You know that stop sign? Well, I'm just gonna ignore it. You don't always get taken out for romantic reasons, as this biker found out. If you don't treat your wheels right, then one day they might just decide to leave you. This driver is really skilled. at decimating an entire street's electricity supply. When Thor's granddad experiences road rage. You should always maintain a safe following distance, but not necessarily for this reason. This is a very specific car park. You only go there if you want to completely trash your vehicle. Always look to your left and right, not just your right. You never want to hear that sound, especially not in a car like that. In Germany, you're supposed to leave the middle lane free during a traffic jam so emergency vehicles can get through. Apparently, nobody told this guy. On a long car journey, you've got to find ways to entertain yourself. One of the biggest dangers on the road these days? Blind coach drivers. When a cop realized this driver was unresponsive, he was forced to stop their car rolling into the intersection with his own car. This guy must be high to drive like this. Maybe that's why he's got a ladder. Yeah, it's vital to keep those wheels on the carpet, or just drive straight off it again. Your choice. It's only a guess, but we're gonna say there's something wrong with his suspension. This is why you should never take your car skateboarding. How long had this guy been driving before he realized? Here's someone who's determined to run every other car off the road and drive herself into the nearest open coffin.
You want to run somebody off the road? Huh? Yeah, good.
Range Rover. When you need to slip down a muddy hill and take out some trees, accept no substitute. You can only imagine the horrific crunching sound that guy's hearing right now. Here's someone who's doing his best to turn a caravan into a death machine. If a truck starts dancing at you, then it's never a good thing.
Oh! Oh, God! Oh! Oh, my God. I got it.
You get the feeling that these two bus drivers have a history. There's only so many ways you can say, put the emergency brake on, but we'll say it again. Put the emergency brake on. Come to Italy, they said. It'll be romantic, they said. You won't get trapped inside a car forever, they said. He clearly missed the how to drive through a tree trunk part of the driving exam.
Okay.
Remember, it's a car, not a weapon. So, you're not supposed to use your phone while driving, but the police don't say anything about frying eggs. Hey, that looks like a good idea. Oops. Maybe we should have actually called this Akimbo video Worst Reverses in the World. Akimbo tip: if you paint your van in camouflage, other road users can still see that you're an idiot. Well, this is one way of stopping yourself being cut off.
Oh shit, we got some shit with TikTok this motherfucker.
He's another genius trying to avoid the queue. Unfortunately, he found himself unable to move for a very different reason. If you can fit a sheet of paper between two trucks, then the road is definitely wide enough. Everyone knows that.